In this lecture, we will study calcium oxide, that is a quicklime. Okay, so it's a preparation, property and uses. After that, we will study calcium carbonate, that is called limestone. Okay, that is called limestone. It's a property, preparation, properties and uses. Okay, so see here, calcium oxide, how it is prepared? It is prepared when calcium carbonate is decomposed at very high temperature. At what temperature? So 1070 to 1270 Kelvin. Okay, when the calcium carbonate is heated up to this much temperature, then there is a formation of calcium oxide. This calcium oxide is called quicklime. Quicklime with the liberation of CO2 gas. Okay, so removal of CO2 gas produce and enable the reaction to proceed to the completion. Okay, this process is called as a calcination or lime burning. This is called calcination or lime burning. So in the property, it is a amorphous solid. Amorphous solid. Okay, it is not crystalline. It is amorphous solid, and it melts at 2886 Kelvin. Okay, at very high temperature, it get melt down. Okay, and it is soluble in water, glycerol, and diethyl ether. Water, glycerol, and diethyl ether. So it is a basic oxide, and it combined with the acidic oxide at very high temperature. You see, if one example is there. See that calcium oxide, when react with the silicon oxide, it forms calcium silicate. Calcium silicate. So where this compound, calcium oxide is used, it is used for the manufacture of cement, sodium carbonate from the caustic soda. Okay, in earlier days, it was used as a limelight. It was used as a limelight, because what happens when it is heated to very high temperature, and when it is cooled down, so it was giving out, or it gives out the intense glow from it, and that was working like a battery or torch. है ना, आपण जे टॉर्च वापरतो मोबाईल किंवा बॅटरी वगैरे असतील, तसा तो त्या ठिकाणी प्रकाश देतो. Okay, it gives out the light. So it is also used in the purification of sugar. It is also used in the purification of sugar. So remember here, for the preparation, when calcium carbonate is heated to a very high temperature, like above 1000 degrees Celsius, it gives the calcium oxide or quicklime as a product. So we'll see now calcium carbonate. So what happened in previous case, calcium carbonate was heated to obtain quicklime. Now calcium carbonate is called as a limestone. जो की चॉक तुम्ही है ना, ब्लॅकबोर्ड आणि चॉक वापरतात ना, तो चॉक आहे, त्याला म्हणून चॉक म्हणतात. काय आहे तो? कॅल्शियम कार्बोनेट आहे. Okay, it is also called limestone, marble or calcite. So how it is prepared? When sodium carbonate is reacted with the calcium chloride, so it forms a calcium carbonate and NaCl. Calcium carbonate and NaCl. You can see on your screen, this is what the reaction for the formation of calcium carbonate. Okay, हा calcium chloride sodium carbonate बरोबर react केलेला आहे. So it is a fluffy powder and insoluble in water. It decomposes at 1200 degrees Celsius. Okay, see, calcium carbonate get decomposed at 1200 degrees Celsius to form calcium oxide and CO2. Calcium oxide and CO2. See here, calcium carbonate heated to form calcium oxide. म्हणजे याची डिकम्पोजिशन ची प्रोसेस है ना, ही डिकम्पोजिशन ची प्रोसेस आहे, ही याच्या फॉर्मेशन ची प्रोसेस आहे. सो याचं कॅल्शियम कार्बोनेटचं डिकम्पोजिशन होतं, पण कॅल्शियम ऑक्साईडचं फॉर्मेशन होतं, आणि हीच प्रोसेस कुठे वापरतायत? क्विकलाइमच्या सिंथेसिस साठी वापरता आहेत किंवा प्रिपरेशन साठी. ओके, दिस इज द कंपोनंट. कॅल्शियम कार्बोनेट कुठे कुठे असतो? शेल जे असतात ना, मरीन ऑर्गॅनिझम जे असतात, स्नेल असतात, पर्ल्स असतात, है ना, किंवा जे एग्स खातात, तुम्ही अंडी खातात, त्याची जी शेल असते वरची, है ना, काही ठिकाणी फार कडक असते पर्लची वगैरे, किंवा खेकडे वगैरे जे असतात ना, क्रॅब म्हणतात तुम्ही त्याला. सो त्याची जी कव्हर असतो, दॅट इज ऑफ कॅल्शियम carbonate. It is a soluble in dilute acids like HCl and H2SO4. See, calcium carbonate when poured into the H2SO4 or reacted with H2SO4, it forms calcium sulfate. Okay, and in case of HCl it forms calcium chloride, CaCl2, CaCl2. Okay, so where it is used for the purification of iron in the blast furnace. Okay, it is a very important component. Calcium carbonate is a very important component of preparing the diaper of बेबीज डायपर जे असतात ना त्याच्या प्रिपरेशन साठी किंवा त्याच्या प्रोसेस जे आहे प्रिपरेशनची त्याच्यामध्ये तो यूज करतात. अलॉंग विथ दॅट, इन ऍडिशन टू दॅट, इट इज यूज फॉर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ टूथपेस्ट, manufacturing of high quality paper. This calcium carbonate is used. It is also used as an anti-acid, okay, because it is the component of chewing gum. तुम्ही जे chewing gum खातात ना त्याला chewing म्हणतात तुम्ही. So that is a chewing gum, okay, and used as a filler in cosmetics. What cosmetics we are using, त्याच्यासाठी तो फिलर म्हणून यूज केला जातो. अशा पद्धतीने we can synthesize the calcium oxide, we can prepare calcium oxide and calcium carbonate. So from the calcium, when calcium carbonate is heated, we get the calcium oxide. Okay, and to prepare the calcium carbonate, sodium carbonate is heated with the, or is treated with the calcium chloride. Okay, so these are what the process interrelated with the each other. Okay, so this is all for the this lecture. Remaining we'll see in the next lecture, that is different oxides or the oxides of different element. Thank you.